is when it goes on. When I make it, it scares me when it goes back over. And my favorite part is when I get it to when I make it to the back tail. What I don't like is when I cut sometimes when my friends don't play with me. It's too hard, easy. It's too hard, easy. Hard, easy meant it's a little bit hard, but it's easy too. I really wish I could tell my friend about. The goal is to get it inside the tail. A redning, and I used to call it Zooey. I forgot what I used to call it. Well, wait, I forgot what I was gonna say. What was I gonna say? The goal is to get the ball through the mouth to the tail. The goal is to get the ball through the mouth to the tail. My ruling of this game is a fun game.